Hey everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while since I've done a video. Life has been just crazy. Lots of good things happening, but also some stressful, much less fun things that have kept me from doing videos over the last few weeks. A number of people have reached out to me, hey, am I missing your videos? I feel like you haven't done one in a while. You're not missing it. I haven't done a video in a while because there's just been something every single Sunday for what feels like a really long time. Like I said, there's been some great things. My son has been doing a number of things lately, which I'm really excited for him. But today is Father's Day, so happy Father's Day to all the dads out there. I did have time to get to the store and put together some deals for you, so I want to talk with you about the deals that I did, as well as some of the other deals that are going on this week that you might want to take advantage of. Speaking of Father's Day, okay, so remember we got all of those Hallmark digital coupons, like $4 off two, $2 off one, $2.50 off one, $5 off two. I couldn't find any Father's Day cards in the app. So when I was in the store this past week, I just looked on the card aisle for Father's Day cards and found a couple different cards that were 2 for $4. And I posted this on Instagram as a reel sometime last week. I picked up 2 cards at $4. That was the only thing I purchased. The $4 off 2 digital coupon did come off, leaving me to pay $0, not even tax, and that's specific to what state you live in as far as whether they do tax on pre or post coupon, that kind of thing. So I paid nothing, and then I got back a $5 coupon from the register that was $5 off a Hallmark purchase of $5 or more. I have not used that yet, but I know a lot of people were getting coupons similar to that when they purchased the Hallmark cards. Obviously, you would want to do this deal super soon, especially since today is Father's Day. Let's talk about a couple other in-store specific deals this week. This is another reel that I posted earlier on Instagram. So if you're not following me over there, definitely look me up. It's at Save with Christina because that's the platform that I post to most consistently. So you'll find a lot of deals over there that don't always make it over to YouTube, but I do my best to post them also to the community tab on YouTube as well. So these Doritos, there is a flyer that the stores are supposed to have at the front register. On that flyer is a coupon for Doritos for $1.99. Okay, now, a couple of things with that. Not every store is going to have the flyer. I went to 2 stores this morning. One store, which is the best store around me, of course, they had the flyer. I went to another store that's totally clueless. Of course, they did not have the flyer. So you purchased a bag of Doritos at $1.99 with that coupon. Now, this morning, I picked up 2 bags. That coupon says limit 1. So the cashier told me I can only scan this coupon 1 time. I'm like, yeah, that's totally fine because I knew that $1.99 was going to apply to both anyway. So not only did it apply to both, for some reason it also rang up like buy one, get one free. So I ended up paying $1.99 for both bags or 99 cents each. Now, if your store does not have the flyer, you can try to get them to scan the one that I'm going to pop up here on the screen. See if they will do that. I don't know if they will or not, but that would give it to you at $1.99. My guess is the glitch of the buy one, get one free is going to go away pretty quickly if it hasn't already, but you could always try it. I know some people responded to that reel and said, my store would only let me purchase 1 bag. Excuse me, since it says limit 1, your store may say that, and then you can only purchase 1 bag. My store didn't limit how many bags I could purchase. I only purchased 2, but they did say I can only scan the coupon once. Again, it didn't matter because that $1.99 applied to both of them because it's a store coupon. My guess is the stores that are like, no, I can only let you buy 1, it's because people come in there and buy like 25 bags of something, and so they have to apply the limit. And I'm guessing that's not happening at my store, or it hasn't happened yet, which is why I was able to buy 2 bags. Now, a couple other in-store clearance items I found, and you can also find these online for curbside pickup. The pasta was ringing up 99 cents. The curbside price, as well as in-store, I want to say they were marked at like $1.29, so it's better to do this as a curbside pickup. Same thing with the Nice brand beans. These are 49 cents. That beats the grocery store price of any of the canned beans at my grocery store. Normally they're like almost double that. Now, other in-store deals you can do this week. In-store because they are register reward deals. This Colgate Optic White, these are on sale $4 a piece. You want to pick up 2 of them, that's $8. There's a $5 digital coupon. You will pay $3. Get back a $3 register reward, making them both free. I did do that at the store this morning. It worked just fine. Now, the Tresemme, I did not do this deal this week. I had these from a previous deal. So let me tell you how that deal works. The Tresemmes are $6 a piece. There is a $5 digital coupon, so you pick up 2 of them. You'll pay $7 at the register. Get back a $5 register reward, making it $2 for both or $1 each on the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. Now, another deal that I did in store because it is a register reward deal is on the Summer's Eve products. They're buy 2, get a $5 register reward. They were cheaper curbside than they were in store, but in store these were marked at $4.29 and they were marked 25% off. So I purchased 2 for a total of $6.42 after that sale came off. I got back a $5 register reward as well as $1 each on Ibotta, making it free and a 58-cent moneymaker. Now, that $5 register reward that prints is a store register reward, and you can use it on anything in the store. It says only on feminine care products, but I ended up purchasing the Colgate and I think some walnuts or something, and it came off without any issues. So you can use that on other items. Now, those were the deals that I did in store. I placed a curbside order for a few more items, so let me tell you about those. These Nivea body washes are buy 2, get $5 in Walgreens cash. They are $6.99 each, so you want to pick up 2 of them. There is a $5 digital coupon, so you're going to pay $5.48. Get back $5 in Walgreens cash, making it 48 cents for both or just 24 cents each. So that's $6.99. They're also buy 1, get 1 half off. So that's how it came out to $5.48 after that coupon, getting the $5 in Walgreens cash back. You can use Walgreens cash to pay. You're still going to get Walgreens cash back. There's no issue there. This one was an easy deal. You may not think it's a good price. This is actually my favorite sunscreen, and I like the little ones. This Neutrogena Beach Defense is $2.99. There's a $2 digital coupon, making it 99 cents. I know you can get much bigger sunscreens for that price or for price per ounce or whatever you want to say, but I went ahead and picked this up for 99 cents because it's my favorite sunscreen, and I throw it in my beach bag. Now, these Jif to-goes, these are 2 for $3 curbside price. They were not marked that price in store. My Fetch Rewards app had a coupon for $1 back on Jif products with a limit of 3. So I picked up 2 of these at $3. I got back $2 on the Fetch Rewards app, making it $1 for both of these or just 50 cents each. Now, clearance deals. These Maybelline Color Sensationals, this is on the pink sand color. These were $1.99 each. Now, I picked up 3 of them at $1.99. They were buy 1, get 1 50% off. I had a $5 digital, that took off $3.48. I had a $3 digital, that took off 99 cents. Then I used the code, and so again, curbside order or online order, SAVE4, that took another 50 cents off, leaving all 3 of these to be completely free. The weird thing is I had done this early on Sunday, and that SAVE4 was taking off $4, even though that was more than the value of this. No lie, I double checked it, it took off $4. Then I was putting other things in my cart. I came back, checked my cart, and all the numbers had updated to where that SAVE4 was now only taking off 50 cents. Regardless, it still made all 3 of these completely free. Another Maybelline deal you could do is on this Tattoo Studio. This is on the light blonde color. They were $2.79 Purchased 2 of them for $4.18. I had a $7 digital still that took the $4.18 off, leaving both of these to be completely free. There was another coupon for $4 off any NYX product, and there were a couple of products at $1.99, so you could snag 2 of those for free if your store had them in stock. Now, I think that was everything that I purchased. Let me tell you a few more deals you might want to check out. Arm & Hammer products are $1.99 each this week. That's the laundry detergent and those scent beads, I believe. Keep an eye out on Ibotta to see if we get an Ibotta offer on the scent beads. I feel like those Arm & Hammer bottles are getting smaller and smaller each week. There were a number of Walgreens brand items that had a 20% off digital. They were also buy one, get one half off. So one deal I worked up was on the hydrogen peroxide. Buying 2 at $2.23 minus that 20% digital left that hydrogen peroxide to be just 89 cents per bottle. A few food deals. The Ballpark hot dogs are buy one, get one free. Curbside price is $5.99. So $5.99 for both or $2.99 each. The Starry sodas are 4 for $19.98. They're buy 2, get 2 free. So that's how it comes out to 4 for $19.98. There's an Ibotta for $2 back on each of the 12 packs. So you'd get $8 back on Ibotta, leaving your final cost to be $11.98 or just $2.99 per 12 pack, which is a crazy price. Just a heads up, the soda deals can be regional, so if you don't see them in your weekly ad, and I'm saying that I see them in my weekly ad, that might be why. It might be a regional deal, so you may see a little bit different deal than what I'm seeing. I can only tell you what I see. Coke and Sprite are 3 for $15.99, those 12 packs, making it $5.33 each. The A&W and Canada Dry are 3 for $14.99, or right at $5 a piece. The Oreo ice cream is 2 for $5. There is a $1 Ibotta offer, so you'd get $2 back, making it $3 for both or $1.50 each. Now, that was everything that I found for this week. If you're finding other things, let us know down in the comments. I'm hoping people are still out there and watching, even though I took a really long time off from making YouTube videos. That wasn't the plan. It's just sadly how things shook out. My son ended one performance. He had another performance. He finished up school. Then he started rehearsals and he had audition. There was just literally always something on Sundays. And if I don't get the video out on Sundays, no one watches them Monday, Tuesday, or Wednesday. Like if I post them late, people don't watch them. So for all the work I do that goes into this, it only makes sense for me to get the videos out on Sunday. Now, questions, let me know. Hope y'all have a fabulous week, and hopefully I'll see you next week. Thanks.